Well, I'd like to welcome everybody here. This is our fourth year at Ecobuild, and welcome to the Accoya stand. As you may know, Accoya is one of the products that we produce at Axis. The other product is Tricoya, which we've developed with our partner Medite, who are next door to us. And the key to success of Axis in the recent years has been our work with our partners. The company now has 35 distributors around the world, and we are selling products to about 41 countries. That has been growing rapidly in the last 3 years. I think that the success that we've had is for two reasons. One is that the technology we have, which is we take wood and turn it into a long life, very long life, durable product. And secondly, as you can see from this exhibition, sustainability has taken on and has now become part of the mainstream. Every single company here has a reason to be here, and the sustainability is that reason. Our most significant partnership recently that we've announced was with BP Chemicals, and I'd like to just bring attention to that. And the reason why that's important is BP has been working with the acetyls industry for many, many years and has looked at wood fiber, acetylation, and the acetyl cycle. So we have this extremely durable product, highly sustainable, and one of the reasons is that the cycle has very little waste. Other partners that we have, again, as I mentioned earlier, is that we've developed Tricoya, and in the last 6 months there's been a rapid acceleration with our joint development agreement with Medite, part of the Culture Group, whereby we've now got Medite Tricoya out on the open market, and the early indications are both encouraging as far as the performance of the user is concerned, but also from the value prospect that it gives to potential users. We are really pleased to announce that both from a sales point of view and our potential licensing efforts, these have grown from strength to strength. I think the encouraging thing is that it's ever more usage for ever more applications.
Within my work in Europe, I have lots of discussions with manufacturers of wood products and people that are constructing buildings, and a key feature across those discussions, it's very, very striking, is the demand and the need for a stable, reliable and durable wood solution for construction. At BRE we regularly engage in testing the robustness of innovative new products and materials. As I've mentioned, we were involved in some of the early stage research in the laboratory. The initiative was conceived by the chemical engineers behind ultimately Axis Technologies Limited, and the product was taken into an industrial process that delivered the product Accoya, and as we've already heard, the Medite Tricoya product as well. Key to the success for Accoya is that it's delivering a very durable substrate. So within this product we really have an example of materials durability delivering environmental sustainability.
I also welcome the fact that this product has been developed with the cooperation of research institutes, testing laboratories, independent verification of the statements that have been made, not just here in the UK but throughout Europe and even in the Far East as well. So this is how we like to see a product being developed, because what they say, they can back it up. They've got the data. So we've been doing some weathering tests on our site in the Chilterns, and guess what? The Accoya does better. Not just a little bit better, but a lot better. We can't really see any degradation on the Accoya. That means that the material is dimensionally stable, because we submerged it and then we dried it, and we submerged it and we dried it, and it was still flat. It didn't cup, it didn't twist. So we understand the science, we like the way that it's been implemented, and we've proved it by test. We've reviewed the paper, the data from other people, and we think it's a good product.
We've been testing the product for 6 years in live tests, comparative tests similar to Trada, exposure rigs testing against Western Red Cedar and Siberian Larch, and the product is performing very well. We're not seeing any degradation of the coating system over the Accoya after 3 years. Even on unend grain sealed boards, we're not seeing any degradation. I've inspected them in the last 4 weeks and they actually look like they've been put up yesterday.